Okay, let's modify a brush so that we can put a treescape mountain here in the back. This was asked for on the forum. Let's take a look at it. Right now I have black selected. We're going to go to a medium dark green. I'm on my studio pen. I want my mountain thing to go something like this. So I'm going to add a bunch of layers. Let's see. And that's there just to show what we got. I'm going to do an invert on it just so I know where I have and have not gone. I'm going to select my layer 1. I'm going to come up here to layer 2 and clear it. That way I will know about where I want to put my trees. Let's go up here to layer 3. I am going to go into painting. Where is it? There we go. And we've got the gouache brush. The question was how to make it look like gouache, and gouache is supposed to look like gouache, so we're going to duplicate that. And then we're going to modify it. So here on gouache 1, always duplicate a brush before you change it. That way you don't lose anything. Stroke path is good. Stabilization, we don't really care about that right now. Taper, I'm going to put these as far over as I can, just because I want to be able to change the size more easily. Let's go to shape. I'm going to change the count jitter to 9. No, the count to 9. That way you get more strokes per stroke. And let's see. Pressure roundness we're going to put at, I don't know, -70? Sure. And what that does, it just kind of rotates which direction your brush is going to go. Let's go over to color dynamics. And let's see, under the stroke, we're going to leave hue and secondary color alone. Let's put saturation at 49. Lightness at 28. Darkness at 69. And what I'm doing is I'm just tapping on where it says none, the actual word, and then I'm typing in the number that I want. Everything else is pretty good. Let's go up to rendering, and we're going to test this out. We've got a light glaze. Let's go and change that to a green because we want to use the green color. And this is what we're getting. We've got the uniform glaze, intense glaze, heavy glaze. Heavy glaze looks nice. Uniform blending, it's not much difference. Intense blending, too much, I think. The light glaze is too transparent, I think. Let's go to the uniform glaze. We're going to say done. And here we are on gouache 1. And let's put that down at 4%. And then I'm just going to, 4% is definitely too big. Let's go down to 2%. Oh yeah, 2% is nice. I'm just going to follow along the edge of here. And we're just doing tap, 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 tap with our gouache brush. And we're going to go ahead and fill this in. So let me just zip through this part, okay? And turn that pink layer off. Okay, so I've got all this. There are some spaces in here and whatnot. I'm not going to worry about that. I'm going to go back here to layer 2 and re-invert it again. And then I'm going to use the Gaussian blur to give it a little softness around the edge. We're going to take layer 1 and move it here above layer 3. And there we go. So I hope this helps you out. And I hope you have a wonderful day.